In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll in PNC Online Banking for 2025. If you've been meaning to set up online banking with PNC, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can manage your accounts easily and conveniently from anywhere. To begin, the first step is to visit PNC's official website. You can use your preferred web browser on a desktop or mobile device. Once you have the website open, you'll want to locate the section dedicated to online banking. Look for a link that says Enroll in Online Banking. This will typically be prominently displayed on the home page or under the Online Banking or Personal Banking tab. Once you've found it, click on Get Started or a similar button. This will guide you to a page where you begin the enrollment process. At this stage, be prepared to provide some essential information. You'll need to enter details that confirm your identity and account information. Typically, this will include your social security number, PNC account number, and your email address. It is important to have these details handy before you start to ensure a seamless process. Next, you will need to verify your identity. This is a crucial step to protect your account and ensure that only you have access to this information. You may need to answer security questions or perhaps confirm through a one-time code sent to your registered phone number or email. It's all about keeping your information safe. Now that your identity is verified, it's time to create your online banking credentials. This involves setting up your username and password. Be sure to choose something secure but memorable. A strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. This will help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once your credentials are set, you'll need to confirm and activate your account. This might involve clicking a confirmation link sent to your email or performing some final checks on the banking site. Make sure to follow any final instructions carefully to ensure your account is fully activated. Finally, you'll log into your new online banking account. This is where the fun begins. Take some time to explore the various features available to you. PNC Online Banking offers a host of tools to manage your finances, from transferring funds between accounts to setting up bill payments and much more. Congratulations, you've successfully enrolled in PNC Online Banking. Feel free to reach out to PNC's customer support if you encounter any issues or have questions about navigating their platform. Remember, with online banking, managing your finances just got easier, more efficient, and more accessible from wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!